Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. So today I'm going to do a Sunday evening facial routine, and if you can see, this is my before and after face, and don't you just love the look? So here I have the four main products that I'm going to use alongside with my Pix Nor brush. So stay tuned for the video, guys.
Nessa's World.
First, I'm going to wash my face, and then I'm going to use this foaming facial wash, which is packed with tea tree and peppermint oils. This product helps to cleanse and purify your skin. It revitalizes and gives you a clearer looking complexion. Now, this is my daily use product. I use this whenever I take a shower, just to give my face that extra boost in the day and to cleanse it. Obviously, I'm just going to use my finger and get that product all over my face, and then I'm going to take my Pix Nor brush and I'm going to apply a little bit more product onto it, and use that brush to take off the top layer of dirt on my skin, because it's been a whole week since I did this deep cleaning. I'm now going to change the brush to the exfoliating head, which will exfoliate my skin and get rid of the dead skin on top of my face. So the next product is from Clean and Clear Deep Action Cream Cleanser, and this removes the top layer of dirt on your skin and also remove oil that may clog your pores. I have to just dip in the bottle because you see the product here are the real deal. I've been using it over 10 years and it never fails. Like if I have a pimple and I put it on my face, best believe that the day after, the pimple gone. And it also gives you that tingling feeling that make you feel like yes, it's working. It really go underneath the skin and clean out your pores. Guys, I am not getting paid for this. I'm not promoting it. But just I tell you the honest truth, it bad. I lie. Alright, so let's go back into my English form. As you can see, I'm using my hand in a circular motion. This will help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And I'm using my hands because I don't have that roller thing. You have to use what you have, right? And now I'm going to use this sugar lip scrub, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lips, both top and bottom, and then I'm going to use my finger and scrub it until the sugar is dissolved. And guys, I tell you, this is a next awesome product, especially for your lips, because it gives you your lips moist, more plummy, more juicier, and it keeps it so soft. Like guys, you should always do this when you're taking care of yourself. Once in a while, take care of your lips. Take care of your kissable lips. Alright, I know you're tired to hear this, but you see the product here? The product here, it's from Shea Moisture. It's an African black soap clarifying facial mask, right? And we have this 2 years ago. This also have tea tree oil. Like tea tree oil is always the best go-to for your face. Me not tell a lie, it smells so good. These are the next product. When you put it on your face and you have a blemish, say yes, tomorrow wake up, your skin nice and smooth like baby water. Guys, I am not over exaggerating. I am honestly telling the truth because it really works, and I am not promoting it because whenever I sign up to get paid for it, but me not tell a lie. Me just telling the honest truth what I use on my face, and it really good. It really good. Really good. I try to use cucumber at least 3 times per week because cucumber has a anti-inflammatory effect that helps in reduce puffiness, and it has a high water content, which help in hydrating your skin, and it also helps to alleviate swelliness around the eyes. And guys, if you know, say me always have some bag underneath my eye. I don't know if I lack a sleep or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to leave this for about 15 minutes alongside with the mask on my face, and just let some steam just catch my face. And that's about it. But you can't see me have a problem because the comb keeps sliding down. But that's that. Peekaboo, I see you. So for this last item, I am going to use this serum, which helps to clear dark spot and is also a age defining formula. I use this 3 times per week, and it also have tea tree in it. Yes, I'm a lover for tea tree because tea tree is so good for your skin. So I'm going to use this on my face, and I also have the moisturizer, but I don't use the moisturizer because I have very oily skin and it's late. I don't need to moisturize my skin anyway. So that's it for now, and look at that glow on my skin already, guys. Just look at that. So don't you forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Hit me up in the comments, tell me what you think about this, and also tell me what you use on your skin, and if you have used any of these products, tell me how your face reacts to it. See you. Bye.